Let me just see the wallet real quick. So let me just show what's going on here. So first off, you got a couple of credit cards. And you got this one and some bills. Now here, put that away. We'll get back to that in a bit. But I'd love to show you this card trick, okay? There.
What?
Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, in all of that misdirection, I took your wallet. I forgot to tell you. So a good pickpocket takes the wallet. You know what a great pickpocket does, right? Take a look.
What the No, that's actually crazy.
Oh, but you know what? You might want your stuff back. Let me see. There's the cash. Here, hold that for me. Okay, perfect. I have this card right there. I have this one right here. I had enough time. I even put one in my sock. And that's everything, yeah? Oh, wait, hang on. And there you go.
Oh, you're missing 500 in cash, I got.
Nice.